Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money using Pandabuy. And in this video I will show you 10 simple ways, not I said simple but not easy. The 10 ways to get money using Pandabuy. Pandabuy is a popular online shopping platform that allows you to earn money in various ways. And the first way will be sell products. Yes, as I said, this is an online store. What do you do in online stores? You sell products. The most common way to make money on Pandabuy is by selling products. You can become a vendor on the platform and sell products to customers. The second way is refer friend to Pandabuy. Pandabuy has a referral program that rewards you for inviting your friend to use the platform, and you can invite your friends. If you are a content maker, you can share it with your followers, and you can earn cash or discounts by referring your friends to shop on Pandabuy. The third way is participate in promotions. Pandabuy frequently runs promotions and giveaways that allows you to win cash or discount on products. Keep an eye out for these promotions and take advantage of them when they are available. So let's just take an example of products on this website. Search. Okay, I have to choose type in something. Let's just put phone to not be specific. And while waiting, I will give you the fourth tip and fourth way to get money. The fourth way is to write a review. Pandabuy encourages customers to leave reviews of products they have purchased. You can earn cash or discount by writing honest and detailed review of your products that you have purchased on the platform. The fifth way is to join Pandabuy affiliate program. Pandabuy affiliate program allows you to earn commission or any sales that result from customer clicking on your unique affiliate link and making a purchase. Uh, is this taking so long or am I just lagging? Let's just search iPhone to be more specific now. And let's continue. The sixth way is to complete surveys. Pandabuy occasionally offers customers the opportunity to complete surveys in exchange for cash or discounts. Keep an eye out for the surveys opportunities and participate in them when they are available. So, yeah, the website is not telling me what's so wrong. Goods, text, iPhone. This is the time right now on the website, not my time. They are so different. So let's just hope that the website is working and it's my fault. So the seventh way is to create video reviews. Pandabuy reward customers who create video reviews on product they have purchased. You can earn cash or discount by creating a high quality video review that showcase the product features and benefits. So the eighth way is to become a social media influencer. Pandabuy work with social media influencers to promote products on platform. If you have a large following on social media, you may be able to partner with Pandabuy team and earn money by promoting their products to your audience. So as you see here, there is an app for Android and iOS. We have a guide here. There was here the help center, the beginner's guide. Here we have tutorials. Can't find the exact item you want. You can search by images. Here we have the detail notice. If you can't find the exact item you want, you have your little panda guide. You have the following worries. You see a jacket you really want, TikTok. So you can search by images. So paste image, drag and drop in the second area, and it will be shown. So let's take this image for example. Let's just snip it from here and take it as an example. And go back to Pandabuy and put it here. And let's continue. So the ninth way, I remember I was in the ninth way. So there is the research, the research. This is this. Sadly no. This is this. Sadly no. So we have all the sizes and different types of those little pandas. Now here we have also puppies, ducks. This is a pig. So the ninth way, as I said, is participate in the Pandabuy Ambassador Program. The Pandabuy Ambassador Program is designed for people who are passionate about the platform and its products. It's an ambassador. You can earn rewards by promoting Pandabuy on social media and in your community. And the last way is to write an article. Pandabuy occasionally offers customers the opportunity to write articles about products and topics related to the platform. You can earn cash or discount by writing high-quality articles that provide valuable information on Pandabuy customers. So you still can search with words. Let's say if I look for a lighter. Yes, so those are the lighters, prices. Let's research for iPhone again. We weren't lucky earlier. Or they don't sell iPhones. Oh, they sell. Yeah, we introduce you the iPhone 14 and Pro. iPhone 14 Pro. Let's see the details about iPhone. So overall, Pandabuy offers a variety of ways to earn money, ranging from selling products to participating in promotion and completing survey. If you are looking for a way to make money online, Pandabuy is definitely worth considering. So here they have a risk reminder. If the iPhone doesn't work, it's not their fault, it's yours. And I agree with them. So the shipping is free to this address, not my address. I don't know where did I get this address. So it's almost $1,000. Wait, isn't it cheaper than the regular? Okay, and we have the 1 TB storage. This is the price. As you change, the price also change. And you can choose the version type, quantity, and you can add it to cart or buy it. Here we have informations about the product. You can write a message if you have special requirements for the seller. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on another video.